Hey, can you name 3 common interests that you have with your spouse? So is that an easy question for you to answer, or are you still thinking about it? You know, before marriage, most couples, and Nancy and I were just like that, could fill a page with all the things that we have in common. Couples, I hear couples say things like, we are so much alike. We like all the same things. Somewhere between the infatuation stage of dating and today, many couples lose that sense of commonality. Why does that happen? Well, here's my take. First, when we're falling in love, most of us would do anything to get the other person to return our love. That would not be, we would purposely mislead someone, but we just seem to have it in us to do whatever they like. It's not about what we are doing as much as who we're doing it with. For example, say before marriage, I have no problem going to a sporting event every weekend with him. After a few years of marriage, that may be something that it has become less of a priority. So you're okay if your spouse goes with a friend instead of you. Or you let your spouse know that you wish they would compromise. Compromise on the number of games that you guys attend together. It becomes more about what you are doing than who you're doing it with. Here's another example. This would be that before marriage, you were excited to go shopping with her anytime she wanted to go. But now you're hoping she will hit the stores without you. The second reason I think we lose that sense of commonality is we have just let life get in the way. And dating, spending time together, is the top of both of our priority lists, right? Today, other things climb up the list. And for most of us, those things aren't bad things. They just get in the way of time together. It can be work, kids, activities, volunteer work, church activities, a lot of other things. We find ourselves going in different directions way too often. And sometimes when we're together, we look at each other and think something like, what are we supposed to do when we are alone together? We need common interests. They help connect us. They give opportunities to have fun together and to share in the joys of life. They help us value our marriage at a high level. So if you had trouble thinking of 3 common interests at the top of this video, it's time to do something about that. How do you do that? We'll talk. Share ideas with each other of things you could do together and then try them out. Join your spouse in something that they are already doing that you can do with them. Be intentional. Carve out time for each other today, just like you did when you were pursuing each other and dating. The time and effort you invest will pay off big as you continue to build your own awesome marriage. And I would love for you to share this with a friend. And thanks for doing that.